Today we are going to start chapter first, the leaf. Objectives of the chapter. These are: what is a leaf, parts of leaves, types of leaves, venation, phyllotaxy, functions of leaf, modification of leaves, insectivorous plants, and vegetative propagation in leaf. Objectives of the day. Today we are going to discuss what is a leaf, parts of leaves, types of leaves, and important terms: node, internode, axil, and axillary bud. Students, we know that leaves are the world's food factory. Green plants prepare their own food mostly in the leaves. Introduction. Leaves enables photosynthesis to occur. Photosynthesis is the process by which leaves absorb light and carbon dioxide to produce carbohydrate for plants to grow. Leaves are adapted to perform their function, that is, they have a large surface area to absorb sunlight. They have stomata through which exchange of gases takes place. Plants have two different types of transport tissues called vascular tissues, which includes xylem and phloem. Through these tissues, movement of water and food takes place. The loss of water from the aerial exposed parts of plant in the form of water vapors is called transpiration, which results in absorption of more water by the roots. Students, did you know trees take up mineral elements like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus through the roots and disperse into the leaves? Leaves appear green because chlorophyll absorbs certain wavelengths of light within the visible light spectrum. Green light is not absorbed but reflected, making the plant appear green. Parts of leaves. First one, lamina, or also known as leaf plate. The green, flat and broad part of the leaf is called leaf lamina. Leaf base. It is the part of leaf in contact with the stem at the node. Petiole. Leaf stalk that connects leaf plate to the stem is called petiole. Midrib. The most prominent central vein of the leaf. Veins. Midrib gives out numerous fine branches called veins. Margin. Edge of the leaf is called margin. Leaf apex. Tip of the leaf is known as leaf apex. Stipule. Leaf-like appendages. Appendages means outgrowth arising either from the part of plant. They can protect the young leaf and may be modified into spines or tendrils. Terminology. First one is leaf. The flat, green and broad part of the shoot located on the node of the stem is called leaf. Node is the point on the stem from where leaves, branches and aerial roots grow out of the stem. Internode. The distance between two nodes is called internode. Axil. Axil is the angle between leaf and the stem. Axillary bud. Axillary bud is a bud that develops in the axil of a leaf. Students, open page number 11. Let's have reading from book. Leaf is lateral, flat, thin green and broad outgrowth arising at the node of the stem. The lowermost leaves are darker, broader and older, whereas the upper leaves are small, young and bright green. Students, this is because as leaves high in the tree canopy receive a great deal of sunlight, it is light gathering part of the plant. It contains green colored pigment chlorophyll for photosynthesis. Students, we know that leaves are green in color due to the presence of green colored pigment which help in the process of photosynthesis. There is always a bud in the axil of a leaf called axillary bud. Axil is the angle between the leaf and the stem. Like stem, they do not grow continuously but stop growing on attaining full size. Types of leaves. These are of two types, simple leaves and compound leaves. First one is simple leaves. Simple leaf, a leaf that has an undivided leaf plate. Simple leaf has no leaflets. Attachment of the leaf. Attachment to the stem or branch through petiole. Location of axillary bud. Axillary bud is present at the base of the leaf. Examples of simple leaf: mango, jamun, peepal, etc. These all are the examples of simple leaf. Now come to the second type, compound leaves. In compound leaves, a leaf consisting of several or many distinct parts of leaves joined to a single stem. Leaflets. Compound leaf has leaflets. Attachment of the leaf, attachment to the stem or branch through petiole. Location of axillary bud. Axillary bud is present at the base of the leaf. Examples of compound leaves are rose, gram, neem, pea, etc. Now, let's discuss simple leaf and compound leaf. Simple leaf, an undivided leaf plate. Compound leaf, a leaf which contains a series of leaflets attached to the midrib. Simple leaf, the blade is undivided. Compound leaf, the leaf blade is divided into leaflets. Simple leaf, lateral bud occurs at the base of the petiole. Compound leaf, there are no lateral buds at the base of each leaflet. Examples of simple leaf: maple, black cherry, guava, oak, and mangoes are some examples. Compound leaf examples are neem, rose, buckeye, and shame plant are some examples. Now students, now you must be able to give the answers of following questions. Define axil. Note. Give the function of petiole lamina. What is meant by axil of a leaf? Give two differences between simple and compound leaf.